So the endocannabinoid system. The endocannabinoid system is a receptor-mediated system in the body. So what are we talking about here? Cannabinoids. Cannabinoids are the chemical constituents of the cannabis plant that have effects in the body. Okay? They're molecules and they work on a receptor. So that works like a lock and key. There's a lot of receptor-mediated systems in the body, the opioid system, the serotonergic system for depression, where one molecule fits into the cleft of a protein receptor and affects a response downstream. So in CBD, we have two receptors. We have a CBD1 and a CBD2. I used to list the number of organs and tissues that these were found in until study after study pushes forward the envelope of how many places we find these receptors. We now find these receptors all throughout the body. In all our organs, all our tissue types, all of our cell lines, we find cannabinoid receptors. Which, what does that tell you? This is a pervasive, ubiquitous system in the body that has a great effect on human physiology. So, when you're talking about a CBD product, we commonly say CBD. Not unlike people throw the name around Q-tip for a cotton swab, when it's really cotton swab. CBD is not CBD. CBD is either an isolate, which is just cannabidiol, CBD, or CBD is a broad spectrum product where you have a number of cannabinoids in there. It can be 100, 200. Some studies say that certain products have up to 400 different cannabinoids in it. Cannabigerol, cannabinol, a lot of different cannas, and they all have a different effect in the body. Besides having a different local effect, together they work and they have what we call an entourage effect, which basically means a synergistic effect. They complement each other as they function in the body. One that we talk a lot about is CBN. CBN is an interesting product, an interesting cannabinoid because of its effect in sleep and its effect in the brain. Some of the interesting aspects of CBN is it doesn't have tachyphylaxis. You do not develop a sensitivity to it so that it is no longer effective in the body. Okay, so when you're looking for a CBD product, you want to really look for something that has a broad spectrum, multiple cannabinoids. You can make use of that entourage effect from the initial plant. You don't want to go to an initial isolate that just has CBD. So it's these cannabinoids and the broad spectrum that work directly on the endocannabinoid system in our bodies to produce the medical effects that we're looking for.